Hey, we're going to talk today about inputs. Just explaining really quick, 30 different type of inputs that we have available in our builder. Let's add a text input. We go to a component, we click on text input, and you will see here in your builder, there is two elements that are being added, the input label and the text input. The input label is usually for you to add things like add your full name. So you are guiding the users to know what they need to fill in that part of the form. Here also you can change the placeholder and then just put like full name. That's it. That's very easy to use this text input. Okay, let's go to the number inputs. We're gonna explain today two types of them. Let's go for the first one, which is a number input. Number input works exactly the same as text input. Exactly what I mentioned. Just with a couple of changes here that you can decide what is the type of input that you're going to add. Is it currency? Is it a number? Is it a percentage? And also why we have two different types of inputs, like one for number, one for text, because when you really need a number for a formula, what we want to avoid is people typing letters. So right now you cannot see my keyboard, but maybe you can listen to it. I'm trying to type some letters. That is impossible, but then when I add a number, then I can see the number there. The second input that I want to show you as a number is like, okay, if you want the users to type the number, is you have this option. But if you want to, for instance, give the users to use something like as a slider, you can also add it there. So the slider is just for the users to get and find what is exactly the number that they want to mention. Let's say we are asking here something like and then the user can just change here the numbers. That's it. It's also very easy in the inputs. And then let's go use for the final one, which is special inputs. Special inputs, we have several of them. We have email. This is self-explanatory. It's just a field that you can only add emails. How you know that? Because if I just create a text with my name, it's gonna say there's an invalid email until I create something like this. Another special input that we have here is day. It's important for so when you're asking for age or something like that, or your service is also tied to the age of the user. And we can also see things like font as well. If you want to, after your form, send SMS or something like that. Sometimes there's users that are more prone to add the number than email. Then you also have, it always depends on the type of content that you are creating, the type of platform that you are creating, also the industry that you are in. Okay, that's it for now. We explained here three different types of inputs: text input, number inputs, and special inputs.